And today we're gonna be making slime like we used to do in one of our episodes.
We're gonna do the same thing, but glow in the dark. But we're gonna add
some more clear.
I'm gonna use. This was actually mine, and I gave it.
So what we have here is some glitter,
Some shaving cream,
some laundry detergent,
some other kind of slime if we feel bored, and we have some
glue, and we have another glue right here. So we're gonna use all of it now. So let's start. I'm gonna be using the whole glue. We got breaking news. We got shaving cream attacking the world.
I think I need
I'm gonna roll the footage. Good gosh.
That's a lot. Wait, you used all of it?
Oh gosh, no. Yeah, I did. Of course I did. How come?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Extreme. Can I have a napkin or something? Where'd you go, hands? I thought you my buddy.
Are you kidding me? With that blue?
Yeah, with the blue. I can't even see. Can you give me a napkin? Give me like more napkins. More napkins than ever because I need to clean this thing. Oh my gosh. This thing is horrible. Oh gosh. Gonna need more napkins. Where'd you go, hands?
Okay, that made no more blue.
Yeah, I'm gonna add some more blue. So
Just use it with the paper napkin.
No. Oh yeah. I might need to use it with a paper napkin.
Yay! So, use that.
You're gonna mix your slime. You need some more
I'm not using activator yet. Wait, I'm just doing that first. And now I'm gonna use
Is that it?
shaving.
Okay, that's it.
That's
I'm gonna need some more activator. I'm gonna need way more activator. Way more. And then after you can add some more for my sister.
I'm gonna mix this.
Glug. Why don't you go ahead? Can you get some more for my sister?
It's turning pink.
Here you go, Michael.
I'm making pink fluffy slime.
Pink slime.
Now I'm gonna add. Where's the activator?
I used all of it, and now Magical Hands is bringing more.
Are you kidding me? I need a lot. Yeah. I didn't even use any.
Well, I needed to because this thing was too fluffy. So I need to make it like more softer. It wasn't working. Sophia didn't even use a single one. Jokes.
Yeah, because I wasn't
Oh, they
ready
know.
to use it.
Oh gosh, glue.
Yay. I think it's too much. Just that.
Oh, glue is on my hand.
Okay, activator is on my hand. It's working! It's actually working.
It's actually working, duh. It's of course working, duh.
It's not. I'm gonna dig into my hand, so.
No, you're gonna dig in where? To your bare hands? That's kinda. Mine's kinda works.
Oh my god, it's just so cool! I can't believe I made slime.
You made slime so many times, Sophia. Stop lying.
I'm joking.
You made slime so many times.
Yeah, I'm joking. I was joking every single time. Remember that time when we did that slime challenge? If you watched that, comment down below. This is so
This
yummy.
is
I wish I
the
could
only
eat
thing
it.
I see is blue. Oh!
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
You just wet the table. Okay. This is really sticky. So you made bigger slime than me. How rude.
No, I made so smaller slime.
Look at my slime. Very small.
Hallelujah.
And I added a lot of shaving cream.
I got my hands. This is trash.
I have to play with it a lot.
Trash.
I have to play with it. Oh, you added a lot of activator stuff. Mine is actually working. But it's actually really sticky stuff. Mine is actually really working. Yeah. Yay!
Mine is not working.
Just get my hands off.
Dang it.
Slime.
I'm not good at slime. That's what I'm telling you.
I'm the master at slime. Mine is
Roll the
actually-
footage.
You don't add a lot of activator. I was telling you.
No, you didn't. Roll the
I
footage.
wasn't telling you. I was just telling. I was about to tell the people he's not good at slime. I'm a master. He is. You are really bad at slime.
Yeah, this is how my slime worked. Yeah, I added so much shaving cream. That's what happened. Am I so garbage at slime? Like, why?
If you haven't watched a lot of slime videos, and you never let me watch slime videos, but I actually do.
Why are you making me do num-nums? Seriously, you're making me do num-nums. Can I have some water, or like paper towel, water, napkins? Thank you. Like,
Yeah,
why
you're
are you
doing
making me-
num-nums, I'm doing slime. Yeah,
Feel it? Can I feel it? My hand.
Okay, that's right. Okay, that's
Can your slime make bubbles?
No, stop it! Acting.
I guess I'm opening up something. It's a num-num soap.
You can add some more, guys.
I can't even open this.
What? Are you kidding me? You open it from that side. You're so worse at opening num-nums.
You know why? Because my hand is full of shaving cream. No.
Oh.
Thank you.
My nose, the more of glitter. I love glitter, so I'm adding a lot of glitter. So I want to make glittery slime. So glittery.
Open up everything. Gosh, can you open up the inner part, every part? Oh,
God,
I'm
what?
garbage.
But it comes with slime inside.
No, I'm garbage at this.
Oh yeah.
I'm garbage. I'm gonna use all the sprinkles.
Hey!
Not like all, but some.
Only, do not use the whole bottle.
Gosh, I can't even open this.
I can open it.
Nope.
If you use all of it, I'm gonna be so mad. I bought it. It was like $1,000 or $69. That was too expensive, and I want to make more slime with it. So if you use all of this, don't, because that's my favorite color.
I have nothing, so I'm gonna add.
Magical hand. I think magical hand is gonna give me something.
What? Garbage. What? Do I make like a new slime? Oh, I guess I'm gonna just make new slime.
No, he meant.
I'm gonna make the littlest slime of all time. And then I'm gonna use some of the num-nums. Gosh, add a bit of shaving cream. That's it.
My slime is so cool.
Don't have any more glue. Like, where's the other glue? Where is it?
Woo!
Where's the other glitter glue that I used, like the white one?
Oh, that one?
No, not this. Yeah, like the other one.
I don't know.
Slime is garbage. Slime is garbage.
Okay, so we'll end
the video right
here
now.
So,
This is so bad. I'm garbage. This
let's
is
do
a
the
zero.
scale of 1 to 5.
This is a 0. This is a 3. I'm
I think
garbage at
it's a 5. So
slime.
if you like the video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never miss a video, and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you on the next time.
Bye.
Boom.